Welcome home. This is the Irish Roots Cafe, where every day's a holiday and there's always room for one more. So, Sweeney, clear the floor. Katie, bar the door. Molly, wet the tea, and let's get this show on the road. I'm Michael OLaughlin, and the subject today of our little news and notes here at the Irish Roots Cafe is how we're using playlists and where to go for the playlist and what playlists we have, so you can go to just the subject you want if you're being specific. And that's because we have we've got over 300 shows now. It's been since 2006 we've been on air one way or another, and we've got Irish song, we've got Irish song in English, we've got Irish song in Irish, old style Irish song. We've got history, Brian Boru, the Vikings. We've also got Irish in America, Savannah, Missouri. I think we've done a little California too. We've also got we covered the Louisville Irish Fest and the Dublin Irish Fest, so those are little separate channels. And Genealogy, we probably have more shows on genealogy than anything else. That's how we started with the Irish Families podcast. And we've got, heraldry. We've got our broadcast series, which is a little over 200 shows just on Irish family history. And that's sort of a combination show, almost like a radio variety show. We ended up with having a name of the week and a county of the week, and curious news and notes that just happened to come by. So that's another playlist we have. And if you go to the right playlist, then you can hit the specific subjects you're after. We've got Irish name podcast. We've got books. We've got a channel just for 2 or 3 DNA interviews we did with experts on the subject. We also have a timeline of Irish books on Irish genealogy with illustrations and illustrations of a lot of our books. We've got a channel for author interviews for books and maybe people who like to help produce movies or shows. We've got a channel for that. And then we've got, what else here? A general history of the Ireland that starts at year 1, maybe down to modern times. And we do a quick, I wouldn't say it was highly academic, but we do a quick coverage of events of Irish history if you just want to get a taste of it and maybe refresh your memory or start a little course of your own. What else have we got? We've just started a one on movers and shakers, and that's people either of national, international, or even local folks who have given a lot of their time and effort into dancing or genealogy or singing for that matter. What else we got here? Language. You got some notes on Irish language, and we call it Before You Go to Irish Class because it's not an Irish class. It's really, if you're just thinking about what that might be like, or you want to get prepped before you go to your first class, it's just sort of curious news and notes. So I'm going to show you a bunch of our categories of playlists here on this video, and you can just take a while to take a look at them. You'll see what we've got, and if you go to that playlist section on YouTube where you see the little name playlist, you click below that, and that'll take you to the playlist, and then you can take your pick of what you're after. So we're going to list our 30 playlists or so right here, and you can take your chance. So thank you very much, and it's good been talking to you. It's been good talking to you. Sláinte.